Forget Dolly, GPT-4o isn't just generating pretty pictures, it's understanding and responding to nuance like never before, making image creation truly useful. Let's dive in.
The key is GPT-4o's multimodality. It's not just stitching pixels, it's understanding the relationship between text and image, which allows for more precise and context-aware creations.
Exactly, think of logos, diagrams, anything where clarity and precision are paramount. GPT-4o nails the details that other models often miss.
So it's about more than just aesthetics, it's about practical application.
Precisely, it excels at rendering text accurately within images, following prompts precisely, and leveraging its knowledge base in the chat context.
Imagine creating a menu with specific dishes and elegant illustrations. GPT-4o can handle that, ensuring the text is legible and the visuals match your vision.
Let's dig into that a bit. What makes the text rendering so much better?
It was trained on a joint distribution of online images and text. This means it understands the nuances of language and how it relates to visuals, leading to better symbol integration and visual communication.
Think about creating realistic street signs with humorous yet believable text. GPT-4o can do that, paying attention to detail and context.
So we're talking about a significant step up in contextual understanding.
Absolutely, and it's not just static images. GPT-4o enables multi-turn generation, meaning you can refine images through natural conversation, maintaining consistency across iterations.
Imagine designing a video game character. You can tweak the appearance through conversation, and the character remains consistent throughout the process.
That's a game changer for iterative design processes.
It also excels in instruction following. It can handle detailed prompts with a high level of attention, managing up to 10 to 20 distinct objects in an image.
Think of creating a complex grid with various objects, each with specific traits. GPT-4o can accurately render that, maintaining the relationships between the objects.
So it's not just about generating images, but also about organizing them intelligently.
Exactly, it demonstrates in-context learning. Upload images and it seamlessly integrates the details into its context to inform image generation.
For example, you can give it reference images and ask it to design a vehicle with triangular wheels, labeling specific parts.
That's some serious adaptability.
And because it's native to the language model, GPT-4o links its knowledge between text and images, making it feel smarter and more efficient.
You can generate code for a banner, then ask it to create an image based on what that code means to it.
Okay, this is getting wild.
It's also trained on a variety of image styles, allowing it to create or transform images convincingly, which leads to great photorealism.
It can generate a paparazzi-style photo of Karl Marx with shopping bags or a Polaroid-style photo of friends in a dive bar. It's incredibly versatile.
Okay, but are there any limitations we should be aware of?
Yes, it's not perfect. It can sometimes crop longer images too tightly, especially near the bottom.
And like other models, it can hallucinate information, especially in low-context prompts.
What about complex scenes?
It may struggle to accurately render more than 10 to 20 distinct concepts at once when generating images that rely on its knowledge base.
Also, it can struggle with rendering non-Latin languages, and the characters can be inaccurate.
So it's not a flawless system, but it's a significant leap forward.
Absolutely, and OpenAI is actively working to address these limitations through model improvements. Plus, all generated images come with C2PA metadata to provide transparency.
They've also built an internal search tool to verify if content came from their model.
What about safety measures?
They're blocking requests for images that violate their content policies and have heightened restrictions when images of real people are involved.
They're using a reasoning LLM to work directly from human-written safety specifications.
Where can people access this?
It's rolling out to Plus, Pro, Team, and free users as the default image generator in ChatGPT. Developers will soon be able to generate images via the API.
And creating images is as simple as chatting. Just describe what you need, including specifics like aspect ratio or hex codes.
All right, let's take a quick break. We'll be right back.
This episode is brought to you by CloudScale.AI, your one-stop shop for AI infrastructure solutions, and by Future Forward, the newsletter that keeps you ahead of the curve in the world of artificial intelligence.
Welcome back. Before the break, we were discussing GPT-4o's image generation capabilities. Let's talk about a potential downside: creative dependence. Are we losing artistic skills by relying too much on AI?
That's a valid concern. It's like the debate around calculators in math class. Do they hinder understanding or free us to tackle more complex problems? AI image generation could be a tool for rapid prototyping and exploration, not necessarily a replacement for artistic skill.
I see it as democratization. More people can express their ideas visually, even without traditional artistic training. It lowers the barrier to entry. The key is to use it mindfully and ethically, not to blindly replace human creativity.
So it's about augmentation, not replacement.
Exactly, think of it as a powerful co-creation tool. And who knows, it might even spark new forms of art that we can't even imagine yet.
All right, wrapping up. What's the bottom line when it comes to GPT-4o for image generation?
It's a significant leap in contextual understanding and precision. Its multimodality allows for better text rendering, instruction following, and in-context learning.
It's more than just generating pretty pictures. It's a practical tool for visual communication with limitations that are actively being addressed.
The bottom line is, GPT-4o's image generation isn't just about aesthetics. It's about understanding and responding to nuance, making image creation truly useful. And this technology heralds the beginning of a whole new era in visual communication. So pay attention to how these capabilities might impact your professional life. Thanks for joining us on UnStruct.AI. We'll see you next time.